welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to test out some new products. It's not a full face, but almost. Some new sponges, eyeshadows, highlights, and yeah. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. First we apply primer. This is from NYX Angel Veil. It reminds me of the Pore Professional from Benefit. For brows we have a new brush. It's from dollar store and it costs around $1, 10 Swedish crowns. So I'm going to test this with my Kiko Lasting Eyebrow Gel in the color 06. It's a medium brown or dark brown. So it looks like this. I love this eyebrow gel more than I like the Anastasia Dip Brow. You can take any concealer. I'm going to take the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC15 and then a concealer brush and just carve out the eyebrows. I think this does a big difference in the results of the brows. Now we take my Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte in the shade 8B Porcelain. And I take some of this on my eyes. Okay, I have these very cute new sponges. These are Macarons sponges. They're so cute. So I have wet one. I think it's very hard, but we'll give it a try. Okay, this is hard as a fucking stone. Okay, that will do, but we will definitely not use this to my foundation. So now we're going to do the eyeshadow. Right now I'm filming another video for a couple of days where I am testing out a new eyeshadow palette from Revolution. So actually today I'm going to use this as well. This is the Maxi Reloaded palette and it looks like this. Every time I'm using a brush who is not clean, I will use my swirl. So you just take your brush and you swirl to get the pigment off. So this one I use when I have dirty brushes. So I take a fluffy blending brush. This is from Real Techniques. And I will go in with that jello. Oh my god. I don't know what happened with Revolution. They have started to make a lot better quality shadows. Love it. I think we take this brown color, brown red, a very warm brown. Try darkening this up. Okay, now we take a smaller brush. This is from Real Techniques. Then we take some of the dark purplish. And we try to take this just where we want it to be the darkest. We go back to a fluff brush. This is also from Morphe M441. And then we just try to blend everything. And then I'm going to take an eyeshadow I got in the advent calendar from H&M. It's actually a highlighter, but I would use it as an eyeshadow. So I just take this on my finger and I will just take it right here. Maybe I should have done a cut crease with this, but I don't have the time. Now I'm going in with my Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. And I love this. And then I'm going to take my Real Techniques sponge. We mix it with my Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in 105. Because this is lighter, so Now we go in with a concealer, so we're going to take my Tarte again. Now I blended that, so I'm going to take my contour stick from Max and More in the color medium. Again, I take my sponge. Now I take my Huda Beauty translucent powder, and I'm going to set the places I put concealer. And to set my contour, I will use this contour palette from Anastasia, and I will take this shade. And a brush from Real Techniques. And then I take my bronzing powder from Fenty Beauty. This is Private Island. And then my NARS blush, Orgasm. And then I have a new highlighter from Kentisi Exclusive Glamorous Glow and Highlights. I haven't used it yet, so this is a first impression. I bought it on Dollar Store. It looks like this. And it cost 20 crowns. That's around $1.8 or something, I don't know. And then we take this brush. And which color? I think I used this. Oh, that's beautiful. Maybe a bit light, but beautiful. Now we go back to the eyeshadow palette and a smaller eyeshadow brush and take this dark shade. Apply it to the lower lash line. So now I go and wash my lips and I will be right back. Now we're going to draw the waterline. We're taking a black eyeliner from Studio Lash Designer, Miss Sporty. And it's just a normal black eyeliner. So we take this and draw a waterline. For wing liner, we're going to use a liner from NYX. I never used this before. It's the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. It was very easy to draw with. A small and perfect line. We're definitely going to use this again. And for lips, I also have a new product. This is from Maybelline, Vivid Matte Liquid in the shade 5 Nude. Very pretty. Now it's time to set this face, so we take my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. That's all for the makeup, so I will go and fix my hair and change clothes, and then I come back. This is the complete look and some thoughts. This one was hard as fucking rocks. I hate them and I will never use these ones again. The lipstick I loved. Ah, what is this? Ah. This one I loved. It's definitely better than the ink liner from NYX. This is my new favorite. And the highlighter I used as eyeshadow, the glitter or shimmer, very nice. I like it as well. Thoughts about the eyeshadow you will see in another video where I'm testing out this palette. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course if you want notifications every time I upload a new video, you can click on the bell so you don't miss anything. That's all. I see you in next video. Bye!